all communicate with each other with a language, whether it is animals, birds, or humans. We have a language to communicate with each other. But what is the language of nature? How does nature reach out to us? Is there a language? Have you ever wondered that before a tsunami or an earthquake, all the animals run away from that place? Do they understand the language of nature? The ancient Vedic wisdom comprises of 4 Vedas, 6 Shastras and 18 Purans, out of which in the Shastras is given the Shagun Shastra, which means the language of nature. Nature is in constant communication with each one of us. We have just lost touch with it. In the past, everyone was taught to read signs of nature and make the best use for it for the overall well-being of humanity. These days, only Muhurat is seen as a better thing, but the rest of it is all ignored. How are we planning to bring back the ancient wisdom and connect back with nature? Shagun Shastra. Shagun means in English a omen. A good omen is called a good shagun, a acha shagun, and a bad omen is called a apshagun. There are various examples which are mentioned in the Shagun Shastra, which are mentioned as a bad omen, like a cat crossing the road. While you are leaving the house, somebody sneezes, or for example, breaking of a mirror. There are also good omens mentioned in the Shagun Shastra. This is how the language of nature works. Is it a way in which the nature communicates with you? How do we establish a communication with nature? Is there a method which we can learn to establish and open a gateway to communicate with nature? Do we all know how it works? Haven't we seen that there is a voice from within which we normally refer to as gut, guides us, but which is not at par with the logic the mind gives us? The logic of the mind works on the memory, which works on past experience, but the gut works on feelings. Have you ever followed only the gut? Does it not work only on feelings? Go against it and see the repercussions. Science will never ever progress to a level in which it will give you a logic to communicate with nature. It will never be able to establish that gateway. But use the ancient wisdom, whether you believe or do not believe in it. It will certainly be for your own benefit.